Here we go. Come on.
Go, boy.
Come on.
Come on. 3 more. Let's go.
Come on, 2 more.
Come on. Make him go. Let's go.
Last one. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Get it. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. 1 more. Let's get it. Come on. You got 1 more.
Come on, 1 more. 1 more.
Yeah. Make it your best one. Make it long. Come on.
Come on. Let's go. Get hard.
Good.
What's up? We just did, they did 100 box jumps. I did like 70. We just ran a mile at speed was 8.0. We couldn't go no lower than 6.5. So now we about to do snatch and clings. And then we got a whole lot more shit to do. It's hard trying to get in shape, YouTube. But this is my vlog. They signaling to me, I gotta go. Later.
Here you go. Let's go. Here you go. When you snatch it up, squat down if you need to. That's still light for you. Let's go. Come on. That's still easy. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Come on. Finish strong for me. Let's go. You got this.
Come on.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. It's 3 more. Come on. Let's go. Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah. I'm telling you.
Come on.
Use your leg. There you go. Use your leg to push up. It's much easier. Let's go. Come on. Push. Yeah. Nice.
I'm cool. I hold it.
Let's go. Man, you got this. Come on.
Come on, bro.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Come on.